Okay, here is a tutorial on how to add a cancellation reason within the logical system using Hotel Millwright as the example. So we will simply go to System, Configurations, Program Settings. Right away under the General tab you can see that cancellations are here at the bottom. We've got Methods and Reasons. We'll choose Reasons. Okay. What we will do here is go ahead and hit the plus symbol and we'll put in cut off date reached. Is active, yes. Hit OK. You can see it's now in there. Just simply hit OK, save, and that is all you have to do. You're set. Thank you.